Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Id.3 PRO 107 kW family, the ultimate electric estate car for the modern family. With a sleek grey exterior and an impressive 145 horsepower, this vehicle is the perfect blend of style and performance. Equipped with a range of comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can rest assured that you and your loved ones will be safe and comfortable on every journey. Not only does this car offer advanced technology like wireless charging and facial gesture control, but it also comes with a comprehensive warranty and a full multi-point health and safety check. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit michaelmoore.ie today for more information on how you can drive away in the Volkswagen Id.3 PRO 107 kW family.